How you doing? How you doing? This is Bill Pete, yacht boss, representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Grady-White 335 Freedom. This is a great boat. If you're looking to extend your boating season, this is the boat that you want. Here we are in November. We're sitting out in 40-degree weather. This boat is perfect to take out in these type of conditions. Keep you warm. Let's get into it. I'll show you why. Looking at the back of the boat, swim ladder, really easy to access. This boat is equipped with Yamaha 350 V8 horsepower. These motors are great. Cruise speeds 30 to 35 miles an hour all day long. Rough weather, this hull can take it. With a fish box and a live well, what's great is you can set this boat up in two fashions. One, rear seat, rear facing seat, nice for comfort, or you can stow everything away. Have a big platform back here if you like to fish, or you want to dance. Starboard side tuna door in the day hatch. Batteries, easy to access levers for all your sea cocks. This boat is equipped with a generator as well. You've got a couple things back here. This boat is encapsulated with glass, which is great. You do have a sunshade. Across, great option to have. Back here, your rear cooking station and refrigerator. Awesome. Grill's located underneath the counter. Nice storage doors. This seat is a motorized seat, so if you'd like to create more room in the cockpit, you can either pull the seat out or put it back in if you need more room. Rear grill, rear cook station. Doing a little pan around at the helm. Enclosure's in great shape. Port side seating area with a retractable table. Really nice layout. Dual helm seat. One of the things I love about this boat, why you can boat all year round. You got a generator, turn the heat on. This boat is equipped with cockpit air, which is fantastic. Let's go through the helm. Starting up at the top, we've got all of our rocker switches, all in good shape, not sun faded out. We've got a brand new Ritchie compass. This is all your Yamaha engine information. Twin Garmin 7 Series. This boat is equipped with autopilot, Fusion stereo, and joystick. Electronic controls, just a nice snap in, snap out, no cables to deal with, nice and easy. Garmin VHF, huge storage. Walking down into your crash berth, down here on the port side, just doing a little pan around. We do have two AC units on this boat, one for inside here, one for the cockpit. Electrical panel, very easy to read, simple system. If you find you need to stay overnight at the marina, what's great is you do have a motorized cushion that does pull out, forms this into a complete bed. TV back in the back. There you go. Great head. Nice, spacious, plenty of room. It is a wet head, does have the availability to have a shower as well. Now taking a look up at the bow. This boat is able to be a bow rider as well. Great seating up here. Welcome back. In my opinion, this Grady-White is a great all-weather boat. You can boat on this, use this boat all year round. For down here in the bay, it's great. You find a 50, 60-degree day and you want to get out there on the water. Nobody else is around. Perfect, ideal situation that you will have here. I really like the floor plan, the layout on this Grady-White. If you want to throw a rod out, it's great. If you want to pack the whole family on, you got two big V8 power Yamaha outboard motors. It's going to get you up, get you going. My name is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. If you're interested in this Grady-White 335 Freedom, please give me a call. My number is 410-353-3380. Also, it really helps us out if you subscribe to our channel. We'd really like to grow our business. If you'd like to see more videos, please let us know anything that we can do. Have a great day.